If you are planning to visit or live in China, this video can save you from a lot of confusion. Many international apps like Google, WhatsApp, and Facebook do not work properly in China. So you need to know the most important mobile applications used in China. Let's start with the most important app, WeChat. WeChat is not just a messaging app. It is used for chatting, payments, social media, and even booking services. In China, everything is done through WeChat. Next, Alipay. Alipay is one of the most popular payment apps in China. You can use it to pay in shops, restaurants, taxis, and online stores. Cash is rarely used in China today. For maps and navigation, use Baidu Maps. Google Maps does not work properly in China. Baidu Maps helps you find locations, routes, and public transport. For translation, use Pleco. This app is very useful for learning Chinese and translating words quickly. For ride booking, use Didi. It works like Uber and helps you book taxis easily. For shopping, use Taobao. Taobao is one of the biggest online shopping platforms in China. You can find almost anything at very low prices. For food delivery, use Meituan. It allows you to order food, groceries, and even book services. Now here are some important tips. Before entering China, install these apps. Set up your payment methods in advance. And try to learn basic Chinese to use these apps more easily. Also consider using a VPN if you need access to international apps. China's digital system is very advanced. Once you understand these apps, your life becomes much easier. These apps are essential for daily life in China. You are watching Learn Chinese with Abdul, and this is Business Chinese series. Like this video and share it with anyone planning to visit or live in China.